Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook not working on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Brave browser window. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can adjust various aspects of your browser. Once you're in the Settings panel, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several options listed there. Click on About Brave. This section shows you important information about your browser version and will automatically check if any updates are available. Make sure your Brave browser is up to date, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with websites like Facebook. If an update is available, install it before proceeding with the next steps. Now go back to the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This is where you can manage your browsing data and privacy settings. These settings are crucial because sometimes accumulated data can interfere with how websites function properly. In the Privacy and Security section, click on Delete Browsing Data. A new window will appear with several options. Click on All Time to ensure you're clearing all the stored data that might be causing the issue with Facebook. Then, click Delete from this device. This will remove cached files, cookies, and other temporary data that could be preventing Facebook from loading correctly. Give it a moment to complete the process. Next, navigate back to the left panel and click on Extensions. Extensions are add-ons that enhance your browser's functionality, but sometimes they can conflict with certain websites. Click on Manage Extensions to see all the extensions you currently have installed. Now, turn extensions off one by one. This helps you identify if any specific extension is causing Facebook to malfunction. After disabling each extension, try accessing Facebook to see if the problem is resolved. Finally, in the left panel, click on System. This section contains settings related to how your browser uses your computer's hardware resources. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle. Turn it off. Graphics acceleration can sometimes cause rendering issues with certain websites, and disabling it might resolve your Facebook problem. After toggling it off, click Relaunch to restart your browser with the new settings applied, and that's it. You've successfully troubleshot Facebook not working on Brave browser by updating your browser, clearing browsing data, disabling extensions, and turning off graphics acceleration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.